Imagine a tree standing in the same spot for centuries. It's seen scorching summers and brutal winters. It has survived storms that wiped out villages and quiet years where nothing seemed to change. Children once climbed its branches. Strangers leaned against its trunk. Does a tree remember any of this? Or does time just pass through it, leaving no trace? For most of history, we've believed memory belongs to minds. Two brains. Two creatures that move, think, and speak. Trees, we tell ourselves, are passive, rooted, silent, unaware. But nature has a funny way of ignoring human categories. And when we look closer, we find a different kind of story. Inside every tree is a physical record of its past. It's not stored in thoughts, but in structure. Each growth ring marks a year of life. Wide rings tell stories of rain and abundance. Narrow rings speak of drought, cold, and struggle. These rings aren't just historical records. They actually influence how the tree grows next. They affect how it allocates water and how it responds when stress returns. This is memory without reflection. It's experience without what we would call awareness. Scientists have observed that trees exposed to repeated droughts adjust their future behavior. They learn to conserve water earlier. They alter their root growth. They prepare, silently, for what might come again. Some plants attacked by insects respond faster the next time. Others even pass these stress responses to their offspring through chemical and genetic changes. There are no neurons, no thoughts, yet the past is clearly shaping the future. And then there's us. We prune branches. We carve into bark. We plant trees in unfamiliar soil. Trees respond to touch, vibration, and injury. When this happens, chemical signals surge through them. Growth patterns shift, and defenses are activated. Do trees remember who touched them? Probably not as faces or names, but perhaps as biological impressions that linger long after the moment has passed. So, what if memory doesn't require a mind? What if it only requires continuity? A living system, shaped by time, storing information in its very form rather than in thought. Entire forests become living archives, not of stories, but of survival. You talk to your plants, you water them, you walk past the same trees every day. Here's a quiet challenge. What if the natural world remembers more than we assume, and we humans remember far less than we believe? Perhaps trees don't remember like we do, but perhaps memory itself is much older and much broader than thought. Thanks for watching.